Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe. Today's vlog is also going to be something related to a travel vlog, but it's going to be more of a preparation before a travel. So I've never shared this before, but I thought since we are going to travel, I thought I'll share the preparation that we have been doing behind it to make this travel even more comfortable. So stay with me and keep watching this video. So we had a sudden plan of going to Bangalore. Our family, some of our family members stay there. So we are planning to go to Bangalore, spend some time with them, and from there we will be going to Kerala. Uh, those of you who don't know, my husband is from Kerala, and we have a house over there. So I'm going to start my packing. I have done a little bit, a few things that we need to take. I have packed. Dance clothes are here. I'm still trying to sort out, trying to take really what is needed and not extras because otherwise it becomes very difficult to carry the suitcases and all that. So yes, I'm going to pack and welcome once again to today's vlog. These are candles. I haven't shared this before, but I will surely make one vlog on this. I have a small business, something that I do from home since I'm not working out. I make candles and decorate jars. So I will surely share this. I'll make one whole vlog related to this, what I do, how I do it. And yes, these are some orders that have come from Bangalore. I also have some orders here which are to go to Kerala. So since we are going there anyway, we thought we just hand deliver them. Here they go. These are blankets. Those very thin type of comforters or whatever you call them. So those of you who have traveled after COVID, you know that in the AC compartments they have stopped giving uh, the bed linen. So you are required to carry your own stuff. Yes, if you're traveling by AC, don't forget to pack something to cover yourself. Uh, my husband has an elder sister and they have two daughters. So this is a small bag that I got for them. If you can see it, it's from the brand Chumbak. So the elder one, she was like very fond of Chumbak and products of Chumbak. When she was quite small, I mean a few years back also, she would keep asking what is there and what do you get in Chumbak and is it good, is it nice and all that. And so this time when we were going, I thought, chalo, I'll take some gift for them, and then I remembered this. So I thought, okay, let me just surprise her with this, one of her favorite brands. Uh, she's only in seventh, but she has a lot of favorite brands, and I like only this, I like only that, and this is nice, and this is not that. She's reaching her teens, so she's getting to that place where a lot of us have been through already. So this is for them. This is one. This has an outprint on it, and there's one more over here. This has a flower print on it, a floral one, which I really liked a lot. So yes, these are their gifts, something that they love. So I've packed some of the things. I think I'm done with the clothes. I've sorted out the clothes that I need to pack for me and for Dan. Especially when you have a toddler with you, when you have a kid with you, it's very important, to pack everything that the child would need. And when it comes to a toddler, there are so many tiny, tiny little things, that they need. Things like hankies and wet wipes and their medicines. Like they may seem like small things, but they're so important. When you actually need them, you need to use it, and it's not there. It's really difficult to manage. We have a whiteboard in our room since my husband goes out for shoots and all that. There, so I don't know कि कौन से दिन पे he's at home, कौन से दिन पे he's going out for his shoots and all. So I've told him to write it down over there. Just as I tell him, you just write it over there. मैं खुद ही देख लूँगी कि तुम कौन से दिन घर पे हो और कौन से दिन घर पे नहीं हो. That makes it easier because he keeps telling me I forget, and then I'll ask him again, and then he'll be like, बोला तो था. So I'm like, yeah, I'm sorry, I can't remember all the dates and all that. I write down everything on the board, from the smallest to the biggest. Right now, I've mentioned a lot of small stuff, so that I remember to pack all these things. So these are all the medicines that I usually take with me while traveling. These are all the medicines for Dan only. So there are all the basic kind of medicines like medicines for cold and cough and fever and these kind of things, stomach pain and all that. So these are the basic medicines that I always keep with me wherever I go. And to pack them, I usually use this bag. So this is a small bag that I got with something else. So I use this bag to keep his medicines in that. And before that, I put it in a Ziploc bag. It will help it from, if in case any bottle leaks, it won't leak out of this. So I always keep it in this Ziploc bag so that the other things in the bag do not get dirtied or stained because of the medicines. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take all his medicines and I'm going to put it inside. Some medicines like these, this is just 15 ml, and sometimes you need lots of it. So I usually buy 2 and keep, especially when I'm traveling. If there's any medicine that is small in quantity, I always buy one extra and keep, so that if in case it gets over and I'm not able to buy, at least I'll have one extra, so I don't need to worry about that. So yeah, that is there. I always put in a few extra droppers so that I can use it. Then there's a Vicks. I always keep a baby Vicks. Is a small one. I usually keep a big one. I just have this right now. Vicks is very nice, especially when cold and cough, especially in this weather. Since it's changing, it's going to start. Winters are going to start soon, so I always keep this Vicks also for him. Apart from that, I always keep his nail cutter also in this, so that I know I don't have to look around for it. And there's this thermometer that he has. It's a digital thermometer, so I usually keep this also. And then yeah, so these are all his medicines, and I'm going to keep them all over here and put them inside this bag. Seal it like this. So all his medicines have come in this, and the Ziploc will keep it from leaking, and this bag is easy to open and close. So I usually keep it in the backpack that I take with me wherever I travel. I keep it in that because that always stays outside, and it's anytime you need any medication, you don't have to open your suitcase and take out. So I always keep this in my backpack. Dan's medication, all his medicines are ready in this bag. the box. There are 3 boxes like this in which all of Dan's toys are there. Uh, when you travel with toddlers, with kids, you need to have something to keep them engaged. Otherwise, on a long journey like the way we are going, uh, he's going to get bored, and more than bored, he's going to get irritated staying in that one place. So whenever I travel, I always travel with some of his toys, and I always make sure to travel with those toys that he likes the most, that he plays a lot with. So amongst them, some of them are this. One is this monster truck. There are 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is. So one is this monster truck. So I'll pack this, and one is this helicopter. Then another one is this aeroplane. This small aeroplane. He likes this also a lot. So you press it over here and it opens like that. So he's fascinated with that. So I'm going to take this also. And this is a police jeep. He's very fascinated of cars or vehicles that have these sirens on top and that make noise, the siren sound. So he has this. He has an ambulance also, and he has a fire truck also that makes a lot of noise. So those are some of his favorite toys. So I think I'm just going to take this much only, and luckily his cousins are there and he'll enjoy with them, he'll play with them. I don't think he's going to need the toys once we reach home, but just for the sake of the train, so that he doesn't get bored and he doesn't, eat our heads. It's always good to take something that they are close to or that they like. So yes, these are the toys that I'm going to take for Dan. Out of these toys, some I'm keeping in the suitcase, and some I'm going to keep in my backpack. I will show you in some time what all I keep in my backpack. I will show you that also. So from that, I just think 1 or 2 things I'm going to keep in his backpack and in my backpack, and the rest I'm going to put in the suitcase for him to play later on when we reach home. So another very important thing to take with you while you are traveling, especially if you have small toddlers who are not yet potty trained, is this. Okay, diapers very important for children, especially if they are not potty trained. Dan is potty trained to some extent, but not completely. So just in case, especially in a train, it's difficult to take the child to the loo and make them sit there and then clean them. So this is one thing that you should pack. And I'm just going to pack a few because we are anyway going home, so we can order from there itself. But if in case you're going for a trip where it will be difficult for you to order or to get, do carry this. I'm not going to pack it as it is. I'm just going to take out a few and I'm going to pack it. If you open it out and pack, it won't take more space. You have more space in your bag. So it's always good to pack it like this open. You can put it in Ziploc bags and keep also, so that they remain clean. So I'm going to put these in these Ziploc bags. Bags like this, and you can keep it in your suitcase. It takes very less space compared to keeping the whole bag of diapers inside your suitcase. So yes, apart from that, I'm going to keep a few in my backpack so that whenever I need it on the train, if in case it's used or if it gets dirty, I can just take it out from my backpack and use it. I don't need to open my whole suitcase to take out these diapers. So this is going to go into my backpack. Yes, baby. Come.
I want orange first.
You want?
Yes.
Baby, I'm packing your toys. If you want to take these toys and go,
Yeah.
so then you have to keep it here.
Okay.
Please keep it here.
Okay.
That is your aeroplane. You can play with it later.
I want the pink one.
What do you want? You want Jeep?
Yeah.
You keep these 2 over here then. Thank you. Go. Go ahead. Go play with your juice. Bye.
Bye.
Some instructions before you pack or while you're packing. Please do listen to them and do accordingly. Pack accordingly. So some of the things that I've packed in this backpack of mine are things that I will need on the train. It has Dan's diapers, changing mat, wet wipes, and right at the bottom it has my toilet kit, some of Dan's toys, and in this zip, this is Dan's medicine. This whole pouch is Dan's medicine, Dan's mask, and yeah, there's still some space over here, and in the sides the water bottles will come. So as of now, this is what I have packed in my backpack. I will also be including things like our charger, phone charger, and power bank, and those kind of things also. So that's all I have to show you for this packing vlog. And if you liked it, please do like, subscribe, and share the channel as well. And till we meet again in the next video, keep spreading lots of joy and happiness. This is Arpita. Bye.